Good morning everyone. This is Simpy. Welcome to EBS class. In the previous class, we completed topics of chapter 17, Work and Us. Today, we will do hard words exercise of this chapter. So all of you be ready. Without further ado, let's get started. All of you take out your notebooks. Write down chapter 17, title of the chapter Work and Us, CW, date of today, hard words. First word is occupation, the work that we do to earn money. Burden, heavy load. Heavy load. Next course, routine task, whatever we do daily. Dingy, dirty, hamper, hinder means to cause harm, act as obstacle. Now all of you have understood the meaning of these words. You have to write down meaning of these words in your notebooks. Now, all of you turn page number 128. Write true or false. For the right statement, you have to write here true. For the wrong statement, you have to write false. The work that we do to earn a living is called an occupation. Yes, right? You have to write here true. Write down here true. All of you do in your books. Next, in a community, we do not depend on people with various occupations to help us in your daily lives. Is this possible for us that we can do all the work? So we have to depend on people with various occupations. So this statement is wrong. You have to write here false. Then a tailor fixes taps and pipes. No, tailor stitches the clothes. Who fixes taps and pipes? Answer me in the comment section. Next one, children are forced to work in a dark and dingy environment which affects their health. This statement is right. Here in the third you have to write what? False. A tailor fixes taps and pipes. This is wrong statement. Write down false. A fourth. This is right statement. Write down here true. Then last but not the least. Next one. Non-governmental organizations do not work for the welfare of people. This statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong. Non-governmental organizations, NGO, works for the welfare of people. So write here false. All of you have understood? Write down, answer these questions in your notebooks. First question is define occupation. Answer, the work that we do to earn a living is called an occupation. People have occupations like farming, medicine and teaching. Next, describe the different kinds of household chores. We do all the necessary household chores which help us to maintain our houses. There are different types of household chores like sweeping, cooking, washing dishes, feeding pets, washing clothes, dusting, watering plants. This one is the answer of this question. All of you write down in your notebooks. What does an architect do? Architect designs buildings and houses. Define child labor. Child labor refers to the employment of children in any work that deprives children of their childhood. It means children, they indulge in the employment to earn money. All of you have understood about child labor. Then next question is, what does a non-governmental organization do? Non-governmental organization works for the welfare of people. It deals with various social issues like child labor, removal of illiteracy, and child and women welfare. All of you write down answer of these questions in your notebooks. Link of this one is given in the description box. You can check out from there and write down from there.
ट्रांसलेट कर दिया अपनी आवाज
Now
ठीक है
you have to do this one.
और तो पापा बच्चों को
Name the different occupations that inspire you the most.
ठीक है
Which one would you like to choose? State the reasons for inspirations. You have to write down the name of occupations, whatever you like most, whatever do you want to become when you grow. You have to write down here and you have to write down the reason. All of you have to do this one in your notebooks. And you have to fill the knowledge chart of this chapter, that what you have learned from this chapter. And now I am going to finish the session. Thank you. Have a good one.